This is Dan. He found an online video on how to build your own traps. He spent the better part of a year making his homemade alarm system. He'll be safe soon. This is Jason. His friends think he's super into Scandinavian design. He isn't. He feels safe believing the less stuff he owns, the less stuff thieves can steal. And Emeko. She loves her dog Coco, but can't help but wonder, would she feel safer with a trained guard dog instead? This is Santiago. He loves his mother very much. He moved out years ago, but continues to visit her daily to ensure she's safe. His mother, on the other hand, just wants one evening alone. Emma only feels safe leaving her home if she leaves a light on. It started with one light. Now, her electricity bill is getting out of hand. Staying safe shouldn't have to be so hard. Yale. Security made simple.